CodeGPT, Cursor, and ContinueDev. In this 2025 comparison, which coding AI should you use? Let's find out. Be sure to like and subscribe. First up is CodeGPT. It's an AI assistant designed for code generation, debugging, and documentation. It integrates smoothly into editors like VS Code and JetBrains. Next is Cursor. Cursor positions itself as an AI-first code editor with inline suggestions, task generations, and real-time paired programming support. Finally, ContinueDev focuses on being an open-source AI coding copilot that integrates with your existing tools and model, letting you bring your own LLMs. Next is features. CodeGPT offers strong language support and structured prompts. Cursor provides the richest IDE-like AI coding experience, and ContinueDev emphasizes flexibility with open source and model integration. Second is learning curve. CodeGPT is the easiest to start with. Cursor requires switching editors but feels powerful once you adapt. ContinueDev is better for advanced developers comfortable customizing AI workflows. Third is customization. ContinueDev wins with open source and model choice. Cursor allows workflow tweaks inside its editor. CodeGPT has fewer custom options but reliable defaults. For its audience, CodeGPT fits casual coders and students. Cursor targets professionals who want deep AI integration, and ContinueDev is perfect for power users and researchers. For its value, Cursor offers premium features but can replace your IDE. CodeGPT is affordable and simple. ContinueDev is free and open source but requires more setup. The verdict is use CodeGPT for quick coding, Cursor if you want an AI-first IDE, and ContinueDev if you prefer an open source flexibility. Now, you can pick the AI coding that matches your workflow. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.